What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we're just jumping on here on GBPAUD, and we've got a bit of an interesting area that's just been taken out, and that is this area here. This area is a demand zone, and as you can see, we have a huge buying pressure from this area, which has broken all this structure to the left and actually has pushed price above this closure here, and actually closed price on the 5-minute above that line. So it's a very interesting area for me. We also, this candle is just closed, so I just need to be very wary. We've also got this area of resistance here, which got broken just slightly a second ago on the 30-minute. If we go to the 1 hour, let's see what that looks like. Not too much going on the 1 hour, but yeah, we could see now potential for buys to take price up a bit further. On the 15-minute, as you can see, we actually had a breakout close. We came back into the zone. We've also got this area here along here, which is held, and we're in a ranging market at the moment. So it'll be quite nice to see if we can close this 15-minute in this zone and potentially get a break of a candle high. It might not be this candle breaking this high, it might be the next candle breaking this high or whatever. This hasn't got excuse me, a bottom wick at the moment, so I always like to see a bit of a wick on the bottom of a candle. This shows that price could potentially want to come down and create one. So basically, we're just going to see what happens. But what we're looking for is, from this demand zone, a break of a candle high to potentially get a buy up from this zone somehow. So yeah, we'll come back when we potentially have a position. Okay, guys. So we've got an entry here. We have broken that high. So we're going to go for our entry. It's quite a high entry off the zone, which isn't always my favorite because it means we've got to have quite a big stop. But in this situation, it does look quite promising, as this area, as I say, we have broken new highs. We've taken out areas which are of interest, and we have got clean traffic up ahead. So I'm quite happy with this entry. We are pushing up quite high, so that's good. Just going to put my stop loss in here, 381, and this will be our first TP, as always. Okay, so that candle's just closed, and we'll put this as our first TP. Oh, that's not that. There we go, first TP, and then we'll look for potential ride up for a 1 to 2 for our second TP, I think, today at the bottom of this support zone around there. So yeah, we're in the trade. We'll see what happens. I've got the stop loss below this low here because if price does come down and break this low, we're likely going to continue down to the downside. So there's no point in having it below the zone, in my opinion. So basically, we're just going to wait to see what happens. There is a really nice price action candle there. Look, you see that wicked candle. Absolutely massive, showing rejection from the zone, so that's a plus. I can see price probably pushing down a little bit to push back up. So until we get a result, we will, we'll come back in a minute. Okay, guys, TP1 has been hit. After we got our entry down here, the break of this candle high, we had a little bit of pullback, and then price just pushed up through, making new highs here. We've traveled up nicely up to the TP1, so as always, we've taken our 80%, stop losses at break even, and 20% is left running. Ideally, I'd like price to break through these highs, close above. I think we could probably get a pullback, and we have now technically created another demand zone down here, which could bring us back down to break even, but as always, that's okay because we've already won. We can only win a little bit more. So yeah, if price can push up quite much more, well, can push up more now, break these highs, we've got a bit of clean traffic up to the bottom of this zone here, and then potentially might look to take sort of 10% or 15% of the rest of the runner out and leave a very small amount just to do what it wishes. So we'll come back and see how this plays out, hopefully up here somewhere. Okay, guys, and we're back, and we didn't get stopped out for break even here. Our spreads didn't stop us out either, which is amazing. And this is just going to keep pushing up, I think. We've got clear traffic ahead, and I may even look to enter another position if this candle closes nicely. I'm going to wait for the 15-minute close, which is subsequently going to not be the 30-minute close. I thought it was. So we have got quite a nice entry. We've broken this bearish candle's high. So yeah, let's see how it goes. We may or may not enter another trade. If we do, I'll let you know. Okay guys, I've got to apologise. I thought I filmed the entry of the second position. I can't find it anywhere, so obviously something went wrong, or I didn't click record or something stupid. But yeah, we're going to run through it in the next section. Okay guys, so we've actually managed to hit our full TP on our first 20% after our first TP hit. Our second entry, it looks like we got stopped out, and actually I came back to the computer and I was like, okay, whatever. You know, got stopped out. Looked on MetaTrader 4, and my broker is about 10 pips higher than whatever I've got on here. I don't know why it's not set to my broker, but it's 10 pips different. So we didn't get stopped out, which is great. And price did push up, and we've broken above this clean traffic here, which I was assuming we would. And we're coming up to this minor supply zone here now. So I've taken 80% of this profit of this trade out there. And we got 20% of the second position running. So we're just going to let that run for break even. We've got all this clean area up here, potential. I think this may hold for a little bit, but I think we'll break through here. So yeah, if we can get up here, it'll be a nice 77 pips. So I'll post this result, the end result, on my Instagram. So if you haven't already, follow us on IronFX Trading. Lots of new videos coming out. There's going to be more information about one-to-one sessions in our Discord, where you're going to be able to follow my live trades, and that's going to be starting some point in February. So keep an eye out for that. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.